Good morning, students. Welcome to your English class. As you know, today the date is 27th of April 2021 and the day is Tuesday. So let us begin our English class. You are requested to view your lesson properly and then do your homework in the given time and send the picture of your homework to your concerned teacher. Only those students who will submit the homework, their attendance will be marked. In today's class, we are going to talk about the adverbs. The topic is written there on your screen. Please open your resource pack from the page number 11. The heading is given there, adverbs, and today we are going to talk about what are adverbs. As you can see, an adverb is a word that modifies a verb. For example, he sings loudly. Adverb has a job. What does it do? It makes us easier for us to understand the verb. It explains the verb. For example, if you look at this example, which says he sings loudly. In this sentence, sing is a verb. But then the quality of the verb has been explained, which says that the singing was being done loudly. So, loudly is the word that is telling us about the quality of the verb. So, any word that tells us about the quality of the work or the verb, that word is called adverb. There are more than one types of the adverbs. Let us talk about them one by one. Here, the 6 type of adverbs are given. The first one is adverb of time. Adverb of time tells us about the time in which the work is being done. For example, look at the example, I have heard this before, or I have done this work earlier. It is being told that something has been done earlier. So the adverb of the time tells us about the time in which the work was done. Then there is adverb of frequency. Frequency means how often something is being done. Is it being done on the regular basis or is it being done rarely? So the kind of the words that tells us about the frequency or about the repetition of the work or the verb, they are referred to as the adverb of the frequency. The examples are written there. You can see it is always cold in this room, always, which means all the time the room is cold. Similarly, another example is I occasionally eat junk food. In this sentence, the person is telling us that they eat junk food but they eat it occasionally, not on the regular basis. They eat it sometimes and then some days they skip it. So, whenever the word is telling us about the frequency of the verb, they are referred to as the adverb of frequency. Adverb of place. As the name is telling us, it will tell us about the place in which the work is done. For example, look at the examples. Is that your scarf there? Similarly, she turned her face upward. The direction is being told, the place is being told, the specific point is being discussed. So, this type of the adverb will be called the adverb of place. Then there comes the adverb of manner, which tells us about the habit or about the manners in which the work is being done. For example, slowly, beautifully, aggressively, loudly, these kinds of the verb in which they tell us about the behavior, they will be referred as the adverb of the manners. And then there is the adverb of the degree. Adverb of degree tells us the extent to which something has been done. For example, I am fully prepared, or they are perfectly suited. Adverb of affirmation. Affirmation means when we want to affirm or when we want to emphasize onto something. For example, surely you are mistaken. The surely in this sentence is the adverb of affirmation. Some other examples are certainly, surely, obviously, and undoubtedly. Please open your resource packs from the page number 11. Activity 6, the heading is already given there, adverbs. Let us begin here. It says that an adverb is a word that describes the action verb. As we have discussed it earlier, that any word that tells us about the quality of the work or the verb, that word will be referred to as adverb. Now the examples are given here. Look at the question that says circle the adverb and then underline the verb. Let us identify. Mom went outside to bake the inside to bake the cookies. Dear students, in this sentence, went will be the verb and inside will be the adverb of place. This sentence is telling us that the mother, she went inside. So went will be the verb. And where did she go? She went inside, which is telling us about the place. So it will be the adverb of place. Now look at the second sentence, which says she carefully mixed the batter. Okay. Carefully, adverb of manner. It is telling us about the behavior of the woman or the mother. And mixed will be our verb. You can underline it. The third sentence says, afterwards she put them in the oven. Now it's your job. You will have to identify which word is the adverb and which one is the verb. Later she saw they were done. Later she saw they were done. She took the tray from the oven slowly. She will now sell them outside the store. I hope the things are clear and now there is no confusion. But still, if you are having any kind of difficulty, I'm always here to help you out. You can ask me. The first two sentences of this activity, I have solved them for you. The rest of the 4 sentences, you will solve them, and once you have done your work, you are done with this work, you will take the picture of your homework and you will send it to me, and only those students who will submit their homework, their attendance will be marked. Thank you so much, student. This was all about with today's lesson, and this is your diary. Complete the activity 6, page number 11, and send the pictures of your work so your attendance can be marked. Stay home, stay safe, keep practicing social distance, keep wearing mask, and take very good care of yourself. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.